It's like snow and rain, and to be honest, there's like no one here today. I'm walking to class right now. You guys can't see me. It's like snowing and rain. I don't know if you guys can see, but hey guys, I'm walking back home now from my class, and I almost ate shit earlier because it was like so slippery. I'm gonna go home and eat and rest. I was like falling asleep in my 2-hour-long class, actually 3-hour-long. Let's go home and get some rest, but I will see you guys later if I do anything. This is my outfit, you guys. Gonna head out now. A little blurry, but that's that. Converse, Zara jeans, Zara jacket. I'm wearing like a tank top with like a bolero underneath. Peace out. I will see you guys at school. Hey guys, so I'm out of class. I didn't show you guys my outfit full, but this is how it looks like. This bolero, and then these jeans are a little big on me, but they're from Zara. And then my Converse. So like that's that. I'm gonna walk home because it's snowing and raining and it's slippery outside, so see you guys back at home. Hey guys, walking back home. It's like raining and snowing at the same time, so I'm trying to like get home as fast as I could. Probably gonna vlog for you guys when I get back home because I'm kind of tired. Snow and rain. I made a little bit of kimchi udon stir fry. It looks so good. Let me move my chopstick. It's super plain. I hope that it doesn't fall off. Cheers. Gonna eat this with some seaweed. Look at the way he sleeps. So adorable. I'm so tired, you guys. I haven't done much. I'm probably just gonna chill and then do some homework later. So I'll probably like vlog when I'm doing some homework because right now I'm just chilling. So currently blanching some asparagus, and then I also made stir fry. Yum. And then I did boil some chicken breast so that I can meal prep for the next 3 days. Is what my diet is consist of, because I haven't been really eating that much. I also do have like the Taylor Farms like salad kit thing in the fridge too, so what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the night. I will see you guys tomorrow. I made myself a matcha or green tea matcha ice, and this cup is actually my roommate's or my cousin. It's so cute, but I'm just using this lid from my canister. Yeah, I don't really drink green tea, but once in a while I drink them, and you guys can see me in the mirror, my dirty ass mirror. Hi guys. Sort of sunny, not really, but I'm walking to class now. so probably film a little bit after class when I get to campus. That's it. Walking home now. Hi guys, so I'm going out and with my roommates. Gonna check out downtown and just hang out tonight. This is my last chill week of uni vlogs, and then there are finals, so be on the lookout for those final studying vlogs or videos. I don't even know if I'm actually like do those, but I always see them on YouTube and they look really interesting and really therapeutic, so I'm gonna do that. So I will see you guys at, I think we're gonna go to Ashland Brewery. So we're going to Ashland. I'm vlogging. Lily's right here.
I'm playing chess.
Hey guys, so I'm home now, and my cousin and me just went to the grocery store to pick up a little bit more groceries for the weekend, then probably go to sleep because I have my morning class tomorrow, like super early at 10. And tomorrow's gonna be a really long day. I don't know if I will be vlogging for that. Maybe I'll vlog in the morning and then a little bit during class, but around 2 p.m. tomorrow I have a lab I have to go to, but we'll see. I don't really know right now, but also my nose is super dry right now, so I'm trying to like stay hydrated because the ear's been so dry lately. Yeah, so I will probably say goodnight and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.